This is a demonstration tutorial on how to properly mix silicone A and B. For this video you will need silicone A and B pots. Yellow pot is A, blue pot is B. Plastic spatulas, yellow and blue, and one paper pot. You will have 2 pots of silicone. A is identified with a yellow sticker and should be skin coloured, and B is marked with a blue sticker and should be clear. You want to start by taking your pot of silicone A, and by using your yellow stickered accompanying spatula, take a small amount of silicone out and decant it into the paper pot. Now, removing the lid of your pot of silicone B and using the blue stickered spatula, remove an equal amount of silicone B and add it to the pot. You can use the B spatula to thoroughly mix the pot of silicone together. Stir the pot of silicone gently for around 40 to 60 seconds. After a few minutes at room temperature, the consistency of the silicone will start to firm up, which means it's ready to start being applied. Please be advised, silicone is very reactive to temperature. Too cold and it will take a long time to cure. Too hot and it will cure very quickly. For best practice and outcome, we recommend any silicone use or skin repairs that are done indoors in a mild temperature room. To watch more specific tutorial videos on how to do skin repairs, please visit safeguardmedical.com/SIMBODIES.